Yo, sup? So I was gonna call it for the day, but I hate leaving things like this. Kind of broken. Uh, also, I was looking at the green slime, and it kind of looks like a little eggplant or something. Oh, whatever. Right. So we have this whole situation going on. Right. Ooh, the sounds are too loud. So there's two things going wrong. One is that see when one trail gets deleted, the other one gets deleted as well. It's not happening for the fireballs, which is good, but I don't know. It's being weird with the thing. Anyways, that's just a collision thing, a linking items thing. And the other one is that the fire trail is now offset, and that's an easy fix. All right, so let's fix the whole shebang bang. Uh, so the fire trail is actually an easy fix, and all we have to do is go here where we create the fireball trail. Here we go, fireball trail. So we're creating it the um, at the same point we're creating the fireball, but we change the fireball origin point. So instead, to keep this whole thing neat, we're gonna create this at the fireball instead. So fireball, and then we have no point on the fireball, so it's just fireball X, fireball X, and fireball Y. And fireball dot Y. And open and close parentheses. So this should work. This is the flipped one. So let's see. And no. Oh, it's because, yeah, it's because of that. Eh, eh. It's not working the way I imagined it to. Huh. So we can change the origin point. Hmm. What can we do here? I mean, it was working before, but boom, 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 boom. So, man, okay, let's make a point. Let us fix this. We can fix this by using a point. Also, am I recording the sound properly? Hello, sound test? Yes. Okay. Okay. So, let's go into Fireball. What is the Fireball? Fireball is even selected. And we're gonna add a point. Edit point. So the origin's fine there, but we're gonna add a point just for, and we're gonna drag it. Can't see where the point is, but it's somewhere there, right? We're gonna put it there, and we're gonna make it. The Y is 32. We're gonna put it right in the middle. The Y. And we're gonna call this one trail. Sorry. So this will work. Close. Because when we flip the object, we also flip the points, except for the origin point, which kind of makes stuff complicated sometimes. It's the only way, well, in the center, right? Because the center is like the pivot point. So instead, we're gonna create fireball trail at the position of fireball dot point x, point x, and then here we have to put trail, and then close. There. And this one, we're gonna do the same. We're gonna make point y, then that, and trail. And there we go. And details like this makes a good game. Sorry. Keep that in mind. Don't just leave. Just don't do things half-assed. Do it full-assed. Okay. I can kind of see the one up top. Yeah. Now it's working. It's more centered where I want it to. Yep. Let's do the same for the other one. So we're gonna go. Let's close this one so we don't mix it up. And red wizard normal. And wizard wand. Where is it? Fireball. Fireball trail. We're gonna make it at the fireball, not firewall. Fire. Fireball. That point. X open trail. And comma, not comma, like things. Quotes. And enter. And paste. And change the X. What a Y. And that's one of the issues fixed. Okay, let's check that one out. Do-do-do. See, now they're making the trails where they're supposed to. Okay. We have one issue fixed. What is the second one? The second one is that when the fireball blows up, it's deleting the fire trail on both of them. Let's check this. If in collision, delete the fireball, delete fireball trail. Okay. So how do we change this? We use item linking or object linking, not item. So let's go here on the normal wizard. And we're going to create a fireball. Then we create a fireball trail. And the explosion we don't need. But let's go here at the bottom, add action. And we're going to add the action link. So link to objects. And we're going to link the object fireball to the object fireball trail. Fireball trail. I don't think it matters which is linked to who. But actually, I think it does. So let's change the order. Let's link fireball trail to fireball. I think the order matters. So let's just roll with that one. And now I'm gonna copy paste. I'm gonna bring this up actually. So you create the fireball, we create the fireball trail, and then we link these two objects together. I'm gonna copy this thing, and we're gonna put it on the other wizard as well. Red wizard flipped. Let's go here. So create the fireball, flip the fireball, create that thing, and then we're gonna link. There we go. Link the fireball, uh, fireball trail, and fireball. We're gonna link these two. I don't think this one, the linking matters. It's the other one, the take into account, that's gonna matter. But anyways, so now when we create these objects, we're gonna link them. So they have a link. And linking does nothing unless you tell it to. So we're gonna preview, and you're gonna see nothing has changed. Okay, it's still all working exactly the same. There's nothing. Okay, so now how do we make it do stuff? Now, let us close this. We're gonna here on Fireball. And now we don't just tell it to delete it like willy-nilly. We need to check for the links. And the bike is back. Oh, of course. So take into account. That's how it's done. Take into account linked objects. And we're gonna pick all of the pick this object if they're linked to this object. So we're gonna pick the fireball trail if they're linked to fireball. So now we're actually gonna say, hey, don't just delete anything. Actually use the link. Like check, are these two things linked? Then do the thing, then delete it. All right. So take into account, and let's leave it like that. Let's see if it works. But I think I need to swap the order of the who gets deleted first. Let's try it. And no, I don't. See? Now it works. Cool, right? We can't make it up there, though. See? Everything's working properly now. Except for the explosion. So that one's exploding. Oh, good. Right. Because it has to do with the points. So we need to change the point of the flipped wizard wand. Wizard one flipped. Right, because we're creating the red explosion at the point we made earlier. Also, I sound kind of muffled. Is this working okay? I hope it is. Right. So let's go to this one. Right. See, we're creating the explosion at this point. Remember, we flipped this image because it was pointing here. So we're using the explosion here. But then we flipped it this way, so we need to bring this point there. And now it's going to create the explosion in the right place, and it's going to create the fireball in the right place. So close and apply. And also, let's make it so we can actually get to him. How can we do that? Oh, I know. You go copy. Let's go like that. Let's go like that. So we can jump here. And then we can jump there. And then from there we can jump here. And then we can jump there. Or can we? Let's make it like that. I don't think we can, if I put, we can't make this jump, I don't think. Let's try it. This is just for giggles, right? This doesn't matter. We can't fit in there. I need to fix the collision shape. Oh, what happened there? How come we? Oh god. Hey, what happened there? Okay. Oh, it's the collision shape gets inside the the tile, so I'm able to jump again. That is weird. So we're able to do like a wall jump. It's unintentional, but it works. And it's kind of cool. Maybe I'll add a wall jump. But anyways, so that was cool. Alright, so let me swoop. And now we jump here. Oh, yeah, we can't make that one. Or can we? We make it like, oh god, and we get hit. It's like, whoop. Oh, I did. Ow. See, but he's making the explosion in the right place. Okay, we need to change some of the physics. Some of the collision shapes. That's what I mean. But this is gonna be fun. I already like this game. I can see how this is gonna turn out. So we need to make him jump a little higher. Right? Because I don't like the right on the spot jumping. Alright, but I do like the how this is turning out to be. And doo. Yeah, and I don't like that we can't fit in there. Do. And we can't. Oh, we fit. It was right. Like we need to fix the collision. Oh god. And then we have this thing going on as well. So we have some more stuff to fix, but we fixed the biggest issues, which was them not like shooting in the right direction. But now they're shooting in the right direction. So we're doing everything now. The fireballs are going okay. They're animated. They're exploding. I like this. This is starting to look like a cool game. I'm excited to play this game. I'm actually excited to play it. I want to keep working on it. But it's like every time it's like, oh, I want to make it in video. But it's going to get to a point where I'm just going to stop explaining everything. I'm just going to make videos of me like working on the game. But there is one more thing that we can add in this episode, and that's going to be the sounds. The volume, actually. Uh, I have, I have this event here, so I don't forget these things. This is kind of like reference material. Like there's the whole frame stopping thing. It's really cool. I love that one. And then we have this equation that I'm gonna copy. And I love that equation. It's what I use for every single sound on my other project. And it gives you the volume equal to distance. So it's like a fake spatial sound. I have a whole video on it. So I'm not going to go too in depth right here. But for example, fire shot volume 10. Instead of volume 10, we're going to add this one. So this is going to clamp, or it's going to make so that the volume of fire shot stays within this number, 75 and 75 at the end. and it's gonna get louder depending on the distance between the little knight and the red wizard, or better yet, uh, let's make it between the red wizard and uh, the small explosion. So red wizard and small explosion. Uh, you're like, oh man, this is so I don't get any of this. Small explosion. Explosion. It's okay if you don't get it. Just copy this. Like, just stop it and then just copy it word by word. Put everything like this and do what I'm doing. Because that's basically what I do when I don't understand things, and I'm like, oh, that's really cool. I don't get it, but maybe I'll get it someday. So I'll just copy it right now, and then I'll study it and go, oh, that's why it works. Oh, that's why it makes sense. So let's try it. I'm gonna put on both of them. So let's see. Okay, now I'm closer. Yeah, it's louder, and now it's lower. So it is working, but it is very loud. Very, very, very loud. So let's see if you can do it like clamping it to like something like 25. I don't think this is going to work properly this low, but let's try it. Let's do 25, and we can just copy paste it, honestly. We're not changing anything. So let's go to this guy, and we're going to copy the same thing. Just like that, because I'm just that lazy. Is it better? Oh, wait, now it's so low, we can't hear it. If you get close. No. Oh. Okay, so we need to be right on top. Oh. Yeah, we can't hear it like that. Yeah, this distance, you no longer hear it. But this, yeah, this we can hear it. Um, Another thing we can do, let's, instead of just copy pasting all the time, let's just work on the non-flipped one, and then when we're happy, we'll put it to the both of them. So a way to check for distance is the times 0.2. Let's do times 0.25. Let's see if that makes it better. No. Okay. What about here? Okay. Okay. I think I made it worse. I think oh no, it's so the value needs to go down. It's something like that. It's been so long since I adjusted this stuff. So let's go the opposite way. Let's do 12. Let us do 12. Okay. What about here? Okay, here? No. But that works. Can we go any lower? Let's try 0.9. That works. Here. That works. Here. Here we don't hear it. Here we start hearing it. Here we no longer hear it. Let's go one more down. 0.8. This is how we adjust things one by one. Making games takes time, man. Okay. Here. Yeah, we can still hear it here. It's low, but we can hear it. Here it's gone. So I'm guessing one more point and it'll be okay. I think I'll be happy with one more. 0.7. Here. Here. Nope. Also, when we're close, it's really loud. So let's try. Oh, God. Let's try 15. Let's bring this like way down. Let's see if we just broke this. Okay. Bring it up. Bring Sally up. Bring Sally down. 0.5. God damn it. We skipped one. I'm not even sure if I'm doing this right. I'm probably not. There's probably some guy who actually like does math and stuff and is like, "Oh my god, you're such a moron." Okay, this is good. We're not gonna hear it. Oh, we do. We do hear it here. And close. Kind of loud. All right, next. I think this is good. Yeah, this is good. This is fine. I'll work with this. I'll work with this for now. And then now I'm gonna copy paste this. Red wizard to the red wizard flipped. Just like that. And also, just because it's snagging at me, let's have a look at the collision shape. I'm gonna bring this back. Bring this back, yo. So this is why we can't fit in certain places. It's like we can fit, but it's like it's perfect. Because we have the exact same collision as the boxes. So we need to make this shorter. Let's use a custom collision mask. And now let's bring this one down. And let's bring this one down as well. And let's be a bit lenient on it. This is fine. Actually, I'm gonna be a bit more lenient on the whole flare thing. So I'm gonna put it there. I'm just ballparking it. And now we're gonna be more precise with it. Uh, by actually putting numbers. So this one, which one's this one? Uh, that one is that one. Is this one. And that one. So it's going to be the same Y as that one. So this, the top one should be the same Y as the bottom one. So the bottom one is 5.5. We're going to make this 5.5. So now they're perfectly in line. And now, do. So this, the X is 20.5. And where's the bottom one? This is 27. So do we go with the 27 or do we go with the other one? Let's go with the 27. So let's increase this to 27. 26, 27. Okay, so now these two are aligned. These two are aligned. We just need to align these two. So this one, the X is 15.5. No, this is the Y. God damn it. 79. There we go. And the one on the bottom is this one. So 78. I think I'm going to roll with the 78. So I'm going to bring this down to 78. There we go. So now it's a bit more compact, the collision shape. And let's see if we can actually fit into certain holes. Yep, look at that. Now we can actually fit. And now it doesn't do that. Now this is tolerable, right? It's a lot of jumps, but it's tolerable. It's like doo, 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 doo. Oh, and now we actually fit in there. Oh no! Wait, so it's B. He shoots, we wait, then we jump, and then oh no, we screwed that up. Oh my god, who made this level? This is so bad. Who balanced this game? This is such a bad level. Dang. There you go. And boop. So now we can actually fit in there. Can we still wall jump? No, we can't do wall jumping anymore. Yeah. Man, we do need to give him a bit more jumping power. And this is like ridiculous. We can't make it there. Oh no, we did do a wall jump there. Okay, so we do need to fix the sprite a little bit. Right, because it's not centered. It's the center point that needs to change for that to stop happening. Because when we flip, the collision mask actually stays the same, if I'm not mistaken. Or the collision mask also flips. That's it. It also flips, but the center point doesn't. So it gets a little bit offset. And that's why it looks weird. Right, so if we have two squares, we can make it. Okay, so we need to keep in mind... I need to get rid of this square. Oh, I did it there. Yeah, some shenanigans going on. Right, but we need the clearance. So I need to keep in mind that we need this kind of clearance. Right. So I already kind of fixed the issue, but right now I'm just a little curious. So we need the clearance. We need to get rid of this one. Or better yet, we need to put it like that. here, again, we need a clearance to go to that. So let's put it like that. This is kind of a puzzle, right? So if we want to go here, we jump here and there. But then if we want to go up there, how do we do it? How about we don't? Well, we put it like that. So we can come here to pick up something, maybe a coin. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3. It's a bit offset. There you go. So you can go here, pick up a coin. This is just for experimentation's sake. But I want to make sure that the game works properly. So 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. So now we get clearance to jump there. Then we can go up there and jump there. And then we can get to that one. Right? Let's see. So you come here. Ooh. Ooh. So 3 seconds is not enough. Oh, it was. Was it? I think I got hit. Yeah, go like that. Ooh, like that. Oh god, so bad. We jump over, and then bang. Oh, we can do it like that, like short levels, like little puzzles. I think this is gonna be a cool game. All right, I like it. Let's keep working on it. It'll be a cool game. I'm sure of it. Right. We're getting there. We're getting there. We can do like some little puzzles and stuff. It's gonna be cool. All right. So let's save. We fixed a few issues. Not really sure what I'm gonna do next episode. Like I know what to do more of. I think I'm gonna do some animations and then we're gonna do like stairs and stuff. Right. So anyways, that was fixing stuff. Object linking. And I'll catch you guys next time. All right. Till then, peace out.